नमस्कार भाइ बहिनीहरू। कोभिड-19 को महामारीमा हाम्रो जुन क्लास हाम्रो परीक्षा सबै स्थगित भएको अवस्थामा यो सङ्कटकालको अवस्थामा हाम्रो स्कुलले हाम्रो कलेज प्रशासनले तपाईहरुका लागि अनलाइन क्लासको व्यवस्था गरेको छ र कक्षा 12 को म म्याथ टिचर अनि तपाईहरुको म्याथको कोर्स सकिएको हुनाले तपाईहरुलाई आजबाट मैले रिभिजन सुरु गरेको छु र त्यो रिभिजनमा तपाईहरुको अपार सहभागिता हुनुपर्छ। मलाई थाहा छ विद्यार्थी थोरै छ, 12 को म्याथ पढ्ने जम्मा 12-14 जना हुनुहुन्छ। त्यो मध्ये पनि 7-8 जना तपाईहरु रेगुलर आउनेमा पढ्नुहुन्थ्यो। म यहाँ रिभिजन गराउँछु तपाईहरुलाई सधैँ डेली रिभिजन हुन्छ, च्याप्टर वाइज हुन्छ, एनईबी को क्वेशन मोडेल अनुसार रिभिजन हुन्छ र यहाँ तपाईहरुलाई म बुझाउँछु, होमवर्क दिन्छु र होमवर्क तपाईहरुले मेरो पर्सनल आईडी अमोद यादव भनेर सर्च गर्नु होला। त्यहाँनिर मेसेन्जरमा पठाउनु होला र मेसेन्जरमा तपाईहरु प्रब्लम पनि मलाई पठाउनु होला। फलानु मिलेन, फलानुमा फलानु ठाउँमा बुझेन भनेर मलाई पर्सनल आईडीमा कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नु होला। अनि त्यसपछि त्यहाँनिर हामी मेसेन्जरमा छलफल गर्छौं र यहाँ हामी प्रत्येक दिन 20-25 मिनेटको रेगुलर र रिभिजन क्लास हामी सुरु गरेका छौं आजबाट। ल हामी सुरु गर्दैछौं। फर्स्टमा डेरिभेटिभ जुन 6 मार्क आउँछ, तपाईहरु सबैलाई थाहा छ। यो लङ क्वेशनको लागि हामीले धेरै पढ्नु पर्दैन र धेरै मार्क्स आउँछ। थोरै पढेर धेरै मार्क्स आउने कन्टेन्ट भनेको डेरिभेटिभ हो। यहाँ क्वेशन आउँछ फाइन्ड द डेरिभेटिभ बाई फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल, जुन हामी 11 मा पनि गरिसक्यौं। तर 11 क्लासमा हामीले के गर्यौं, y इज इक्वल टु f x, y प्लस डेल y इज f x प्लस डेल x, डेल y इज f x प्लस डेल x माइनस y, जुन y भनेको f x, डेल y बाई डेल x डिवाइडिङ बोथ साइड बाई डेल x हो। ठ्याक्कै यही नै फर्मुला यहाँ क्लास 12 मा पनि छ। तर यो डेल y बाई डेल x को ठाउँमा नभएर लिमिट s टेन्ड्स टु 0 f x प्लस h माइनस f x डिवाइडेड बाई h। If the function y is f x is said to be differential with respect to x, if the limit this exist means left hand limit and right hand limit exist. If exist, then it is called derivative of f x with respect to x. If exist means if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then it is called derivative of given function f x with respect to x, and its notation is f dash x or df by dx or dy by dx. At a derivative of f x function at x is equal to a, f dash a, f prime a, limit s tends to 0 f a plus h minus f a by h. If here x, then x plus h minus f x by h. If a, then a plus h minus f a by h. This is our formula for finding the derivative of any function by first principle in class 12. And here we have 5 model, only 5 model. Out of 5 model, 1 question should be come in your exam. So let's start. First model first. First of all, find f dash x if f x is sin inverse x by first principle. By first principle, this is question. Find the derivative of sin inverse x or cos inverse x or tan inverse x or log sin inverse x or log cos inverse x. These are the model. Find f dash x if function is given. Let's start the solution step by step. We have f x is sin inverse x. This is given. By definition of derivative, f dash x is limit s tends to 0 f x plus h minus f x by h. This is formula. In every question, first of all write the function, then by definition write this formula. Now limit s tends to 0 if f x is sin inverse x, f a is sin inverse a, f1 is sin inverse 1, only replace the value of x. Here is x plus h. So sin inverse x plus h minus sin inverse x by h. Now we have no option. So stop this. Let this is relation first. Now put sin inverse x is y. Let sin inverse x is y. Then and sin inverse x plus h is y plus k. Small increment y plus k. If sin inverse x is y, sin inverse x plus h is y plus k. Such that here s tends to 0 is given. S tends to 0 is given. Here if s tends to 0, then sin inverse x is equal to y plus k. And what is value of y? Sin inverse x. Y value is sin inverse x plus k, sin inverse x. Now this cancel. So k also tends to 0. If s tends to 0, then k tends to 0. Also, here sin inverse x is equal to y by definition of inverse function. Sin inverse x is theta. By definition of inverse function, x is equal to sin theta. This is in 11th class. X is equal to sin theta. So, sin inverse x is y. Then x is equal to sin y. And x plus h is equal to sin y plus k. Then this value is y plus k, this value is y, and we don't have value of y h. So now with the help of x and x plus h, we have to find the value of h. Here h is x plus h minus x. X cancel h. X plus h value is sin y plus k minus x value is sin y. H value is sin y plus k minus sin y. Now replace this h value, sin inverse x value, sin inverse x plus h value in relation 1. Then therefore relation 1 becomes f dash x is limit. Now in place of h we have to write k tends to 0, sin inverse x plus h y plus k minus sin inverse x is y by value of x sin y plus k minus sin y. Now this is another form. Here is limit s tends to, now k tends to 0. Now s convert into k form. Y cancel. Limit k tends to 0, k by, now this is sin c minus sin d formula. Note that here altogether 4 formula, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, and finally cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin d minus 2, d minus c. These 4 are important formula for this chapter. Here sin c minus sin d, we use second formula, 2 cos c plus d, y plus k plus y by 2, sin c minus d by 2. Here y cancel. Is equal to limit k tends to 0, k by 2 cos 2y plus k by 2 sin k by 2. Now here is this also. Limit k tends to 0. Here k, here 2 sin k by 2. 1 by cos 2y plus k by 2, k by 2 sin k by 2 is equal to limit k tends to 0, 1 by cos 2y plus k by 2 into 1. Why here 1? Because limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is 1. Theta by sin theta, here theta by sin theta is reciprocal of 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1. That's why k by 2 divided by sin k by 2 here tends to k. That's why this value is 1. Now apply the limit. Apply the limit. 1 by cos 2y plus 0 by 2 1 by cos 2y by 2, 2 cancel, 1 by cos y. But our question is in x form. Our question is f x is sin inverse x in terms of x. 11 also. Our question is in terms of x, that's why, but our answer is in y form. Y is not in our question, this is supposition. So y convert into x form. This cos is 1 minus sin square y root under is 1 by 1 minus, we have to let here y is sin inverse x. Sin x is y. Sin x is y. So y is sin inverse x. X is sin y. Sin y is x. So 1 minus x square root under. Sin y is x. So 1 minus x square root under. That is dy dx. Sin inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root under. This is first model of first principle or first model of first principle by inverse. With this, by this method, we can also find homework, also find cos inverse x, tan inverse x, log cos inverse x, and log sin inverse x. If we have to complete these 4 also, then inverse derivative is completed. So these are your homework, and today is your first day. So first you read out this and then do this and send my messenger, personal messenger. You can search Amod Yadav and send in messenger of solution. If you have any problem, then also you can send the question, and where you have problem, then you can send. आजलाई यति गर्दै आजको क्लास म यही अन्त गर्न चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।